Welcome to my YouTube channel. 10 important daily uses sentences. Polite greetings. Good morning. How are you today? Asking for help. Could you please help me with this? Making requests. Can I have a glass of water, please? Apologizing. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Thanking someone. Thank you for your help. Giving directions. The restroom is down the hall to the right. Making plans. What time should we meet tomorrow? Expressing gratitude. I appreciate your hard work. Seeking clarification. Could you explain that again, please? Ending a conversation. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. Make sure the subscription, if you are the first-time visitors in this channel.